Yo, what's up guys? True here with another video, and if you guys can tell by the sound of my voice, I am like super sick right now. But I'm actually gonna try to pump out a video for you guys and just give you guys a rundown what I did on the 240 2 weeks ago before I got sick. So yeah, I'm in the car. We're gonna pop up the hood and show you guys what I swapped out. Alright, so I don't have my steering wheel or anything like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood open. I didn't even. It's open, I guess. Alright, let's go to the hood and open it. And show you guys what we did to the car. So, the main thing that I actually picked up from. Actually, I got them at a website because they had a Black Friday sale. So, we did get some new connectors because I know for a fact in one of the videos someone commented down saying like, why do you have your fuel injector connectors tied down with the zip tie? And you had to do what you had to do. So all 4 plugs are brand new. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all brand new. So they have like that clip too. So if I pull on it, it's not gonna go anywhere. So it's one of the stuff I actually bought on Black Friday, and I desperately needed them because, yeah, I wasn't gonna have those zip ties tied down the fuel injectors, forever and stuff. So let's continue. I also ordered a new power steering for the 240 because I don't have power steering in this car. I used to have it, but this pressure line decided to, give up on life. So I don't have power steering at the moment, but I did order a new one, so that should be coming in. So I'm gonna be swapping that out as well. There's another thing that I need as well, and that involves with the steering. I don't know if my camera can pick it up. I'm gonna try to zoom in for you guys. Okay, here we go. This link right here, I need to get a new link. I've noticed that when I turn the steering wheel, it makes like, I don't know, like it there's like a space when I turn. Like it's weird, and I know for a fact that this is the culprit because I remember I had an issue with the link, and I was driving actually home, and like it broke. Like it literally broke. Like it completely broke. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably head to the junkyard or head to a 240 page or something around my area and see if someone's selling one, because I do need one and I don't want that space. Like it's weird. Like, you know what, I'm gonna go get my steering wheel and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I legit went to go get my steering wheel, and I'm gonna show you guys that space that I'm talking about. Like it's freaking weird. Like I don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna show you guys. Check this out. Like just listen. Okay, so when I do this, there's no tension at all. But when I turn it, like, see, to the left, watch. You see what I mean? That's where it turns. And then if I go this way, it turns. Like, there's a space right here, and I don't like this at all. So as you guys saw, the inside footage of that linkage, the linkage wobbles when I'm like tilting the steering wheel left and right. But when I do that full lock, you can see the linkage grab onto the steering rack and actually, turn the steering rack. That's really dangerous. If I do a U-turn or if I pull the steering wheel hard enough, I can actually break that linkage. I can break those bolts, and I'm pretty much stuck. And I can cause an accident, or I can be in an accident, and I'm putting myself in danger and other people in danger if I don't get this major part fixed, because it's one of the reasons why I haven't gotten my alignment, because this actually happened a week ago where my steering wheel started acting up, and I was like, this isn't normal. So was looking around the steering, make sure, did the obvious, make sure I had power steering fluid and all that stuff. But I started wiggling the steering wheel and noticed that space, and I'm like, wait, this can probably be the linkage between the steering column and the racking pinion. So I looked at the linkage and I'm like, yep, that's it. And that linkage is completely, it's like it's done. It's not really grabbing onto the steering column and the racking pinion. So we're gonna get that fixed, and then I can go do my alignment. So other than that, that's pretty much the major things that I need to fix. And also I do have my battery light and brake light on still. I have no idea why. I checked my wiring and stuff like that, but I'm actually gonna get a help from one of my friends. He's actually gonna come and he's actually gonna take a look at it and see why my brake light and battery light are still on, even though I do have a new alternator. I did check power on the PIC connector. The ground is, I even moved the ground to like where the chassis is at, and the power for, not the plug, there's actually a power on that goes to the back of the alternator. I went ahead and double checked on it, everything's tied down, and I just don't know why it's still lighting up. So that's pretty much all the stuff I need so I can hit the track. I am gonna get new front fenders, side skirts, and over fenders. I am gonna keep the Rocket Bunny wing. I like the Rocket Bunny wing, but all this stuff, we're gonna change everything out. I'm just tired of, black with white, and then my side skirts are all broken and stuff. So we're gonna get some new side skirts, make the car look nice, and I'm thinking of what color I want to paint the car. And once this car is running 100%, we're actually gonna tube the front. We're gonna tube everything, so we're gonna cut this part off. We're also gonna cut this wheel well right here as well, do tube front for the car, and it's gonna look super sick, and it's gonna be easier to work on. And then after that, we'll probably put a roll cage on it inside. I actually want to put a roll cage with my interior inside, because my interior is like really clean except the dash. The dash is all messed up. We're gonna do that, and yeah, I'm just excited to finally hit the track. Hopefully in the spring we can get this car ready to hit the track, and yeah, so I can get some seat time, practice, and then just, since it's gonna be my first time, this is like the best and cheapest setup that I can do right now, is just a stock single cam, so I can get some seat time, and then once I start figuring out the basics, then we can go for more power. But as for now, those are the plans for next year. The only way we can make this happen is if you guys actually help me out by, hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, commenting down on my videos and stuff like that. It's the only way we're gonna make this thing happen. And like I mentioned on my other video, if this video gets 10 likes, that's all I need, 10 likes, then I'll tell you guys the story of the Acura Integra that's in the back on the side of my house. I'm telling you guys, if you guys hit 10 likes on this video, I'll give you a full scoop of the story of the Acura Integra, because that was actually my first car that I ever owned, and it's just been sitting there because technically it's actually my fault, because I was just tired of putting money into it. But I'll give you guys a quick rundown of it, or I'll do a full video of it, and we'll do something with the Acura Integra. We can do a build or something, but this video has to hit 10 likes. Once I see that we have 10 likes on this video, then I'll give you guys the full scoop of the Acura Integra. So I'm back in my lovely studio. I'm just kidding, this is not really a freaking studio. So I'm back in my room, and that's all I actually wanted to cover for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, I do have hoodies for Initiate, so if you guys want to head to the website, I'm gonna leave it up here. So you guys can go ahead and check out the website, and if you guys want to purchase a hoodie, help me out, that would really appreciate it. But I am actually pushing the Initiate brand a little bit more. I do have stickers, so if you guys just sign up to the email listing or make an account at the Initiate website, you do get a free sticker. Only have 30 left, so if you guys want one, now it's a good time to actually sign up and get a free sticker. And like I mentioned before, I am trying to push this brand because it really means a lot to me, and I know a lot of people can relate to it because Initiate, if you guys don't know, Initiate means to start, to begin, and do other stuff. This is really something that got me into this car industry, is because I saw a certain build that I like, and I saw a certain style that I like, and that's what pulled me in to do that, that build or that type of style, which would be for my reason, which would be drifting. And if you guys have your other reasons, such as like you want to stance out your car, you want to time attack your car, you want to do all this, all that, this also is a versatile brand where it does mean that, because this is your build and this is the beginning of your story. So just head to the website, and also I do daily blog posts. So if you guys want to send me an email about your build, I can put it on the website. And I'm trying to do this so I can bring the community more better, and that way you guys will be featured on the website. And all you guys need is just talk about the car you're building, what you want to do with it, and what is the reason why you got into the car industry. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna leave my email on the description down below. So if you guys want to be featured on the website, you guys can email me and I'll put you guys on the blog post, and we'll go from there. So I am gonna get out of here, and like always, I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, guys.